All right, so I'm going to show you how to use the calipers. Note that they slide, and there is an outside measurement and there's an inside measurement. So it depends on what I am measuring, if I'm measuring the outside or the inside. And that'll make more sense when I go ahead and measure our Martian dice game.
Yay.
So I'm going to do an outside measurement first. So I want the measurement of this on the outside. So I'm going to hold it until it is perfectly measuring that. And now I'm going to go ahead and read it. So this is where it gets a little tricky. This is an outside measurement. So I'm going to be looking at the top line only and where my 0 lines up. That's going to be my whole number. So my 0 lines up at 68. So that's my whole number. So my measurement so far is 68. And now what's awesome about the calipers is they're really, really precise. And so that's where I'm going to use these smaller numbers. Note that they only go up to 1 because it's a very precise measurement to try to figure out what's going to come after 68. And the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to look at all of these little lines on top, and I'm going to look at the first one that perfectly aligns with something at the top. And so this very first line right here, I see matches up with this line. This one would as well, but I'm going to start with the first one and work my way over. So this first line from 0 to 0.5, this is 0.1. So my measurement is 68.1. You don't look at these numbers anymore, just these ones at the top. And if it lines up with something, then that is the measurement I would use. So this is 68.1 centimeters. Oh, sorry, millimeters. Gotta look at my measurement over here. I know. Okay. Now if I was doing an inside measurement, I do the same process, except now I'm going to look at my inside line. So you'll notice that now my 0, because I'm doing an inside measurement, is going to be right about here, which is about 58. And now point, I've got to look on here, where's the first 0 that lines up on this little set of lines, and that one kind of does. That one doesn't really. This one looks like the best one where it's perfectly aligned. So 12.3. So 58.3 is going to be my measurement in millimeters. And that's it. That's how you use the calipers.